Hi guys, today I want to show you how to write dokushin in kanji. Dokushin. It means single or not married yet. Dokushin. Single, not married yet. Dokushin. Single, not married yet. One more time. Dokushin. It means single, not married yet. For example, I would like to say I am single, so we will say 私は独身じゃないです。Now, 私は独身じゃないです。It means I'm not single anymore. It means I'm married already. Or I have in relationship, something like that. Another example, Mori-san. 独身 Hold up. 森さんは独身ですか？森さんは独身ですか？ It means it is Mori single. Or you can ask with Mori that Mori, are you single? Something like that. Now, one more time. Dokushin. What does that mean? It means single. It means not married yet. Dokushin. One more time. Dokushin. It means single, not married yet. 私は独身じゃないです。I'm not married. Sorry, I'm not single anymore. It means maybe I'm married or I have in relationship. It means I have boyfriend or girlfriend already. I'm not single anymore. One more time. Dokushin. We should try to write down many times, and every time you write down and you think in your mind that's the meaning in your native language. And then when you finish to write down, and then you speak it out. Okay, thank you for watching and learning with me. See you next time. Ciao, mata.